From wild science comes the test tube chemistry lab. Use real lab equipment and chemicals to see amazing chemical reactions in action. Investigate awesome acids and bases and test pH with a universal indicator. Make some groovy gases with a bubbly reaction that can blow up a balloon. And make a fire extinguisher with invisible carbon dioxide gas. Discover why wonderful water sticks to itself to climb up a flower stalk, but how it hates mixing with oil. See an amazing metal grow from a copper sulfate solution and use real chemistry lab skills like measuring, filtering and dissolving. The test tube chemistry lab includes over 46 tools and ingredients to do more than 50 spectacular science experiments. To fascinate and inspire any curious chemist, plus full-colour instructions packed with science facts. The Test Tube Chemistry Lab. And remember, there's only one wild science.